In this video, I'll show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. So to get started, go ahead and open YouTube Studio on your device. So you can also access their mobile application version if you have your mobile device with you and have the video there. So head over into the content section. Head over into the Shorts tab under the channel content section. Now once you're on the Shorts tab, you can go ahead and head over into the create button which you'll find at the top right of your screen to be able to upload your video as a short. Click on upload video and go ahead and select the video from your local drive. So click on select file and select a video from your local drive and click on the open button which you'll find at the bottom right. Now this will pop up on your screen. So make sure that your video is below 1 minute to be able to be considered as YouTube Shorts, and make sure that it is in a portrait video orientation to be able to be considered as a YouTube short. So you can go ahead and incorporate the title for that YouTube short along with the description. You can also upload a thumbnail for the YouTube short and incorporate other information for this YouTube short. And that's basically how you can upload YouTube shorts from PC. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.